Dear children, now we are going to see example 5.5. The floor of a hall is covered with identical tiles which are in the shapes of triangles. One such triangle has the vertices at -3, 2, -1, -1 and 1, 2. If the floor of the hall is completely covered by 110 tiles, find the area of the floor. So, in the question, it is given that the floor of a hall is covered with triangular tiles. It is given the floor of the hall is covered with identical tiles. Identical tiles means the tiles are all in the same shape and in the same size, and the tiles are in the shapes of triangles. So, all the tiles are in the shape of a triangle and they are of the same size. That is, all the triangular tiles have the same vertices. So, the vertices of one such triangular tiles is given. The vertices are A -3, 2, B -1, -1 and C 1, 2. So, totally the floor of the hall is covered by 110 tiles. So, totally the hall has 110 tiles. Find the area of the floor. So, first we have to find out the area of one triangular tiles. Then we have to multiply that answer by 110 tiles. Then we will get the area of the floor. So, first we have to write the vertices of the triangular tile. The vertices of one triangular tiles are A -3, 2, B -1, -1 and C -3, 2. That is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now we have to calculate the area of the triangular tiles. Or area of one triangular tiles equal to, we have to write the formula, half into, then the points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1. That is equal to half into, first downward arrow, that is x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y1 minus, again bracket, then upward arrows, x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x1, y3 square units. Next, we are going to write the points in the place of x1, y1 here. Okay, children. Children, you must write the formula. This formula has separate mark, so you have to write the formula also. Half into. Next, we will write the points x1, y1. That is -3, 2. x2, y2, -1, -1, x3, y3, sorry, x3, y3 is 1, 2, 1, 2. So, this is 1, 2, again x1, y1, that is -3, 2. That is equal to half into, first downward arrows, -3 into -1, minus into minus plus, 3 ones are 3, 3, then -1 into 2, -1 into 2 is -2, then 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 minus, then upward arrows. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Then minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Then 2 into minus 3. 2 3s are 6, plus into minus minus. So this is minus 6. That is equal to half into, see here 2 minus 2, 0. So in this bracket we have 3. 3 minus of, see here all the 3 terms are having negative sign. So we can add these 3 numbers and put the minus sign. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. That is minus 9. That is equal to half into 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 9. That is equal to half into 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So this is equal to 6 square units. So area of one triangular tiles is 6 square units. It is given that the floor of the hall is completely covered by 110 tiles. 110 triangular shaped tiles. So given the floor of the hall is covered by 110 triangular identical tiles. Triangle shaped identical tiles. Therefore, area of the floor equal to area of the floor equal to, so area of one triangular tile is 6 square units. We want the area of 110 triangular tiles. So this is equal to 110 into 6. That is equal to 660 square units. So this is the required answer. Area of the floor of the hall equal to 660 square units. Okay children.